Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to search in your smartphone Roblox. Okay, open that and log in into your account. And then you simply need to click on three dots in the right bottom corner. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and click on account info, and you must need to verify your age. So here you can see that my age is verified. Okay, and you must be above 13. Then you simply need to go back and click on privacy. So here you can see that beta feature enable voice chat. You simply need to click here and click on enable. So now you can see that my voice chat is enabled. So this is a process by which you can enable voice chat on Roblox mobile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.